Today, we're diving into Amazon's plan to replace 600,000 roles with automation. It's a huge move, right?
Absolutely it is. Automation is reshaping industries. But why such a large number?
Well, Amazon focuses heavily on efficiency and cost cutting. Machines can work non-stop, unlike humans.
True, but what about the human impact? Won't this lead to massive job losses?
It could. However, Amazon claims it's about reallocating workers to more complex roles.
That sounds ideal, but are there enough complex roles for everyone?
That's the big question. It depends on how fast new roles are created.
And whether employees can be retrained effectively. What skills do they need?
Mostly tech-related skills, coding, data analysis, things like that.
But not everyone can transition easily. What happens to those who can't?
That's a concern. Some may struggle to adapt, leading to potential unemployment.
Perhaps universal basic income could be a solution. What do you think?
It might be. Yet it's controversial and costly. Governments will debate it.
Meanwhile, how does Amazon justify this shift publicly?
They highlight innovation and staying competitive. It's a business strategy.
But at what cost? Innovation shouldn't mean disregarding people, right?
Agreed. Balancing technology and human welfare is crucial.
So, what can employees do to prepare?
Upskilling is key. Taking online courses might help.
And what about Amazon's responsibility? Should they support training?
Yes, they should. It benefits the company and employees alike.
Let's hope they take action. Any final thoughts on this transition?
It's inevitable, but should be managed thoughtfully. Companies must care for their workforce.
And society too. Let's see how this unfolds. Thanks for tuning in.